Alright, let's get started. Alright people, I know I've been out for a while, but here we are. Ryan's gonna install some Anzo LED taillights. Why? Because this one's broken. The brake light does not work. We're gonna be installing this. I already unpackaged it to see if there was any shipment issues, because the first one I ordered, there were some shipment issues. The corners on these were broken. I'm gonna go ahead and remove these spider ones and see if I could eventually fix it, but this will do for now. First off, remove these clips right here. 1, 2, and the thumb screw that's behind this little plate right here. Oh, Spyder built it different, dude. They made this plastic thicker. Now we unplug everything. Now that they're off, the stickers, now we just put everything back in. Should be simple. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna black that out because you can see I'm gonna be blacking the outer edges out, just like the Spyder ones have. These Spyders are trim out here is black because I have a black plastic here, as you can see. So I don't like the full red look. I prefer to put a black outline where you'll see it as the red outline diffusing deal. That's where I'm gonna do my little wrap. Alright, this works. And then the side markers work too, so that's good. Please don't hit the brakes though. Miguel, help me hit the brakes real quick. All right, release them. Yeah, it looks weird when it's all, I mean, I don't know. I kind of like the red, but you could just see through the wrap or like the frame. So that's the only reason I am gonna black it out, because you can see through it. Damn, these lights look sick. I'm gonna lie. I'm gonna black it out, it just looks cool. I'm gonna repeat the same side on the other side. Thank you, brother, for helping me hit the brakes. So useful. I see on the camera flashing. In person, it's not flashing. I don't know why. It is. That one seems brighter. Yeah, I know. Hit the brakes. That's the brake light that doesn't work. Hit the. I didn't even check. Hit the brakes. Let me see. Watch, it works now. I'm gonna be bummed out. Which I doubt it because I already swapped them out. Yeah, it doesn't work. I'm going to do the other side, and then we'll get back when it's installed. So I ran into a problem with the Anzo tail lights. This is what the problem was. You see the thumb screw on this one? Y'all see it, right? The OEM one, or not OEM, but the one that came on the car. This one fits perfectly. This one is this stupid deal. Very fine threads, but this is just slid in there, so it doesn't grab onto it. I'm about to check this one too, see if it's the same one. All right, so this other one's the same way. My thumb screws just won't fit that. One thing I can do is take these off with these right here, the inverted Torx, on both of them, and swap them out if worst comes to it. But so far it's just more work than a simple swap. And guess what I did? I removed this thing with the inverted Torx screw that I barely had the size for, kinda, but I don't have the size for this one. So what I'm gonna use is vice grips. Alright, I think I got it. The only thing I'm not sure is if this end is gonna be the same as this. Oh gosh, I don't know. We're about to find out. I actually don't know now. Bro, this thing's stupid, man. I can't use these lights because these are not the same. Oh my, no. Well, there's a fail. I can't use it because of this stupid deal, dude. It's not the same. And then this won't go into that. Wasn't it the these things? Yeah, dude. This one goes here, right? This is how they were. This is how the lights were, right? Okay, right? This thumb screw fits this one. Fine. This one, it won't fit that one. Why? Because it just slides right through. And it's not gripping. Gosh, freaking Anzo, man. Anzo cheaps out. First off, the fitment right here, fitment on Anzo sucks. I just don't like it now. It's annoying. The only reason I went for these is because these are the only ones in stock. They don't make the Spyder ones anymore in red lens. Otherwise, I would have bought the same ones. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to see if I can figure something out. If not, then oh well. I just want to get pulled over because my brake light doesn't work. I've been getting stopped by other people. Tell me I need to fix it, but I'm freaking mad now. I was mad, and last thing that I thought, instead of me sending this stupid thing back, that's what I'm gonna do for now, is just use Teflon tape to make the threads a bit thicker, so it could somewhat hold on, And here's what I'm noticing, the fitment. Just okay, let's compare real quick. Spyder, the fitment is right on the edge. Perfect. Very closed gap. Closed gapping. Let's take a look at this one. I'm pushing it and that's all it goes. But look at that massive gap. Like I could totally see in there. Like a lot. So what I'm gonna have to do now is put some type of weather stripping on the back of it. So water won't really go. I mean, I don't care about water, but still, just so it won't see that ugly gap that's in there. But fitment on this sucks. This easy install should turn down to a horrible nightmare. So now I gotta deal with it. But what can you do? I'm gonna install this other one. I'm not really happy right now. I mean, they work. That's what, at least that works. But finish of it, I don't like this super thin plastic compared to the Spyder. And the fitment just doesn't close the gap that much. So I'm not too excited about it. But my brake lights will work, so that's a good thing. So this is them both installed. One thing I did notice, another thing. See how it's flush right here? It's flush with the body line, body panel, the quarter panel. Look at this side. See that massive gap? It's like... And then this. Look at that big old gap. The freak is that? I don't have a problem with those. I don't know. In my opinion, Anzo, cheap quality. Cheap quality. Cheap quality compared to Spyder. Usually I'd be like excited to get new taillights. I bet you if I had OEM ones and I put these, I'd be like, oh yeah, dope. But comparing them to Spyder, maybe I just got a wrong batch. It just does not look good. I don't like them. I mean, I'll get used to them, but I don't like them. I like them, but I don't like them. I like the design, it's alright, but the fitment just sucks. And I never said that about taillights. I'm usually like, oh, taillights, but nope. Especially since I already had these aftermarket ones, and I loved these because they had a more modern look. But now that I'm looking at fitment, and then I don't know, man. If you like the comparison video, because this is more like a comparison than actual like putting them on, because it was a pain in the butt. But still, give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what else y'all want to see. Also, we have some videos of us wrapping my brother's Chrysler. Do y'all want to see that in parts? Like in the... I don't think I have all videos, dude. I have them. Like, we have the individual parts of wrapping the door, the roof, the trunk, quarter panels, or stuff like that. We have videos separately for each one. Or do y'all just want to see it in a whole deal? Like maybe put two parts. One putting the main color on, and second putting like the design after that. But yeah, just let us know. And then we've filmed it for like the longest time. We've had it for a long time. I just didn't want to make it like a 5-step part like I did on this one, which I know I seen that didn't get many views, so I'm guessing more just make it just a 1 video or 2 video deal. So just let me know. Here's the cinematic.